Today I'm going to show you how to make a DDoS attack by writing a Python script. It's actually really easy. I'm going to show you how this works now. Just so you know, this is a test environment that I have permission to run this on. Do not run this on any public IP address because it's illegal and you could go to jail for it. If you don't know what a DDoS is, DDoS stands for distributed denial of service. So when you run this Python script, it's basically going to shut down this website for as long as the script is running. This is the website I'm going to run it on. The script is going to send so much traffic to this website that the server's not going to be able to handle it, and you're going to see it's not going to be able to load anymore. So let's run it. Okay, the script is running. Look, I'm trying to open the website now and it's just a blank screen. You can see like it's too much traffic being pushed to this site. We're going to shut it down now. Before I get into it, I want to make this clear again that this is for educational purposes only. You can test this on your own websites to see how vulnerable it is. And yeah, don't just run this on any public IP address because you can get tracked down. First thing we're going to do is some imports, as always. All right, so we imported sys, socket, and threading. Now we're going to declare a few variables. Okay. Now we're going to be setting how many loops we want. These are all the variables that we need. Now we're going to make a function called send packets. This is going to send a bunch of UDP packets to whatever destination we set it to. Okay, we have one more function to create. This is going to be our actual attack. It's going to be UDP flood, UDP power, and UDP mix. All right, so now we're just going to declare the attack, and we are done. It's actually a super quick script to make. UDP flood is a little less intense, so you can see it sends a little less packets. UDP power sends a lot of packets. UDP mix is just gonna like switch between the two. All right, and you're basically done. Whenever you decide to run this on your test environment, right, you are going to make sure you're in the directory, and it's literally this script here. So it'll be Python, the name of your script, whatever IP you would put, the port, and then you would type in whichever method you want to use. So you could use UDP flood or just use the mix or whatever you want. I hope y'all learned something and enjoyed this video. Stay safe. Peace.